Hello friends, I make a game using the Python pygame library. So you can use a python main.py command to run the game. So let's run the game. It will take a time to run the game, like a few seconds. So here is our dashboard where we can see the menu and some buttons, and you can also see the spaceship. Here you can see the score like top 10, and in the setting you can choose a level like low, medium and high, and click a back button. In the score section you can see all of your score of the game, and you can also see the statistic of low, medium and high score. And in the about section you can see some content about the game. In the help section you can see the tips and tricks about the our game. And in the next choose section you can choose a spaceship from this. In the big, medium and small spaceship are there, and click on a start button to play the game. And here you can see lots of stuff here, like you can take a first aid kit, and also you can take ammos, you can shoot the enemy, you can also shoot the minimap of the game. In the right side of the top you can also see the high score and current score. You can see also a medium level, and you can shoot the enemy with the limited ammo. And you can also see your health, and also you can see enemy's health here. So I will give the link to download this game. So in the description I will give the link to download this game. So check the description to download this game.